Okay. Alright, hi everybody, this is Tim from Archery, here to redeem myself and hopefully make a better video than what I gave you yesterday, which was absolutely horrid. So we got our two bows. We got our Sandman bow, and we got our Leopard bow. One is a 58 and one is a 68, as I'm sure you can see here. But let me go back a ways, and then let's hope I don't miss. Okay, this looks good from here. We'll try to Leopard bow first. Show you how nice this one shoots. I can almost split arrows with this bow. That's a good grouping right there. Alright, let's set this one down and try this one here. Now, granted, I'm not left-handed, so if you see an arrow coming straight at you, duck. Alright. Let's see what we can do. Put a brand new string on this bow. My guy down in New York, Steve Baker, just made me these new strings with these new silencers on here. So this is first test shots with these. So let's see what we can do. All right. Super fast. We gotta go low. There we go. Now I got it right. I had to knock above it. Wow. That's a fast arrow right there. Well, there you have it. A couple nice bows from Archery. This is one I'm really proud of right here. This is our Sandman bow. As you can see, just a beautiful bow. And my good friend Steven made me these new strings. And there's the proof in the pudding right there. These bows shoot very, very good. So if anybody's interested in getting one of these bows, you know, just get in touch with me at Archery. My name is Tim, and it's been a lot of fun shooting these bows, but it's time to give it away. So we'll say goodbye to this one here. That one there I'm going to keep for a little while longer, but as you can see, these things are real shooters. But thanks a lot for tuning in, and we'll see you next time. We've got a all walnut clear glass bow that we're going to start building today. So hopefully we'll have that for you before I go in for surgery. So we'll see y'all then. Take care. Bye now.